Hey, love. I'm so confused about what to wear to tonight's party. Any suggestions?
Hey there. Well, how about that black dress you wore last time? It looked stunning on you.
Nah, not feeling it today. Maybe something different?
Alright. What about the red one? You always get compliments when you wear that.
Red? It's too bold for tonight, don't you think?
True, true. What about the blue one, then? It's classy and not too flashy.
Blue is nice, but I wore it to the office dinner last month. I don't want to repeat outfits so soon.
Got it. How about the floral one? It's perfect for a party, and you haven't worn it in a while.
Floral? Not in the mood for flowers tonight. I need something different.
Okay, let's see. What about that sleek silver dress? It's modern and chic.
Silver? It's a bit too shiny for my taste. I want something more subtle.
Tough crowd. What if you go for the white one? It's simple yet elegant.
White? I don't want to risk any spills ruining it. You know how clumsy I can be.
Fair point. Alright. What am I missing here? You've got so many options.
I know, right? But it feels like I have nothing to wear. Can you believe it?
Babe, you've got a closet full of clothes. Literally hundreds of options.
I know, but nothing feels right. It's like they all disappeared when I need them the most.
The mysterious case of the vanishing clothes. Maybe we have fashion ghosts.
Very funny. But seriously, I feel like I've worn everything already.
Well, you know what would solve this problem? A brand new dress.
A new dress? Do you really think that's necessary?
Absolutely. Think about it. A fresh, stunning dress that no one has seen before. You'll turn heads at the party.
You might be onto something there. A new dress could be the solution to my wardrobe crisis.
That's the spirit. Let's go shopping and find you the perfect dress. It's time to add a new gem to your collection.
You know what? That sounds like a fantastic idea. Let's do it.
Great. We can make it a fun outing. Maybe grab some coffee, stroll through the mall, and hunt for the perfect dress together.
I love the idea. It's been a while since we had a shopping date. I'm already excited about the coffee and finding that special dress.
And who knows, maybe we'll discover some hidden treasures along the way. Accessories, shoes, the whole shebang.
Oh, you're turning this into a full-blown fashion adventure. I like it.
Why settle for just a dress when we can upgrade the entire ensemble? Let's make this shopping spree one to remember.
Deal. I'm all in. Thanks for turning my I have nothing to wear crisis into a stylish adventure.
Anything for you, my fashion-forward partner. Now, let's get ready to conquer the mall and find that perfect dress that'll make tonight's party unforgettable.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.